So in addition to covering Hurricane Melissa activities in rural Jamaica, we also went to Rema here in St. Andrew, and this is what we found out.
On our way back to Broadcast House, we made another stop and we are in Rema, where quite a number of residents have gathered. You pretty much are having a good... What's happening out here? Why are you not in your house battened down?
Well, when you see the rain comes so heavy, so we out here enjoying ourselves, drinking, playing Ludi, and I think that one upstairs is seriously prepared too.
And they are saying that they're seriously prepared for what is to come. And I just want to make it clear, you're not taking this lightly, right? You're serious.
No, we're not taking nothing lightly.
Okay,
nothing.
good.
It's when it's Mother Nature, we cannot take nothing like it. Nobody know what gonna destroy.
But even as we made our way outside the community, we did not believe what we saw. A water party was in progress. We were told that the residents were celebrating a birthday.
Laser can't stop it. This is change zone where you find the most entertainment. Batman come from here, great people come from here. It's just enjoy. It's just enjoy with the people. A long time we have this fun. So we're out here, I celebrate Melissa's birthday. We're having joy.
You're celebrating? Oh, it's her birthday. Okay. So question. So hold on. I have a question. Did you not hear about the hurricane and that it's serious? What time are you planning to stop? What time are you planning to stop the party?
No, we're not stopping. I'm straight through. Straight through. Tomorrow morning, I'm straight through.
Oh, hold on. So you never hear about the wind?
Yes, we hear about the wind everything. We saw the wind, man. We bring the life for the party. Laser can't stop this, man. Even come out with simple wake up in the party. Laser can't stop this. Rema, change Rema, the best coming to the world.